Next topic is system of angles. Now in the trigonometry we are dealing with three types of systems, okay, three types of angles. Now in the system of angles, number one which we are going to do, that is an English system called sexagesimal system. This is an English system. Normally what we are dealing with in mathematics, we just writing the digits in the national number system and in the international number system. So international number system we are taking from the English system, okay. So number one is sexagesimal system. Then we are having centesimal system, that is from the French, and then we are having a circular system. So we are dealing with three different types of systems. Now number one is sexagesimal system. Now let us go about a brief description about this system. Now in this system, a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts called degrees. So right angle, we are already aware of it, that is one right angle is equal to 90 degree. So in this system, a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts called degrees. Now for the more accuracy, each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes. And for more accuracy, each minute is further divided into 60 equal parts called seconds. Is it clear? So first of all, one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, that are called degrees. Then each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes, and each minute is divided into 60 equal parts called seconds, okay. So now let us make some table for it. Now one right angle is equal to 90 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, denoted as 60 minutes. Now degree you are aware of, but let me write it, denoted as 90 degree. This symbol is for degree, okay. And 1 minute, like this one, is equal to 60 seconds, denoted as 60 minutes. So this is all about the sexagesimal system, so called English system.